Thank you. Something soft or something hard and fast?
Soft.
Soft. Hard and fast.
Soft.
What? Loaded questions.
Softly and then get harder and faster.
Faster. We're gonna go.
Baby. No lube.
Hey, this is a song I wrote on 420 of this year. It's pretty mellow and chill and uplifting. Last year on the 20th floor, 21st I don't remember, wrote some words on a wall. On the wall I wrote some words that I can't unsee. They didn't really have any meaning, so I tried to give them one so they would seem